Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update QuickNode settings for RPC rate limit improvements step by step clearly. To begin, log into your QuickNode account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the project you wish to update. Click on the project to access its settings. In the project settings, find the section labeled RPC settings. Here, you will see the current RPC rate limits configured. To make adjustments, click on the Edit button next to the rate limit settings. Review the available options for rate limits. Decide on the new rate limit that aligns with your project's needs. Enter the new rate limit in the provided input field. After entering the new limit, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, scroll down to find the Save Changes button. Click Save Changes to apply the updated settings. A confirmation message should appear stating that the settings have been updated. To ensure the changes take effect, return to the dashboard. Monitor your project's performance to verify the improvements. If necessary, revisit the RPC settings for further adjustments. You have now successfully updated your QuickNode settings for RPC rate limit improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.